everybody. So we're back to do the embellishment of these two pieces. I'm super excited about how they turned out. So I just mixed up some resin. The resin that I'm using is KSresin, equal parts, 1 part hardener, 1 part resin. It's pretty easy to mix up. I did put my mirrored glass down just so I could kind of get an idea of where I wanted to put it. I'm going to go ahead and then on, one second here, I forgot to show you that in this, gosh darn it, I just went blank. In my resin, I put a little tiny scoop of Eye Candy's Glimmer Ghost Violet just to give it a little extra shimmer. I don't know if you can see that, but it's kind of got like a purple iridescent to it. It's just beautiful.
Come a little closer, I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower, I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion, I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean, I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know, and I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. 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 With you, everything's moving slower, I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out.
And then I just kind of took this one here. This is Midnight Gem. It's another one from either Michael's or Walmart. Just kind of shimmered all over the place. But I think I'm good. I really like it. It really popped those colors out. I just gave it enough little bling bling there with the mirrored glass. It's pretty. All right, I'm going to bring it down for a close-up. Okay. Apologize for the glare from the ceiling there. But just look at how pretty that is. Look at that, all that wasted. But I like it better than it is now because it just spread way too much. So I think I might have to start letting this sit for a while. I'm not exactly sure how long, but to where this is kind of where the base resin is kind of cured a little bit, to where the glitter will just kind of sit on top, but yet still get in there. This was the part that looked like a rose before it got all stretched out. But just look at those, the bands, the lines are beautiful. Look at that one there. Oh, with that glitter on there. How pretty is that? Just look at that. So pretty. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The video of this was a part of this series where I'm doing comparison. One was the layered cup, the other was a dirty cup, but this time I did ring pours for both of them. But I think it's kind of cool how they went together, so they can either be sold separately or together, which I kind of think they're cool together. That's why I tried to get some of the mirrored glass to kind of go in place. So yeah, but you guys have to tell me what you think. The next one I'm gonna do is with the dustpan. I had somebody suggest that. I did that, so that'll be my next comparison. And yeah, if you have any other suggestions, let me know, and I'll definitely do them. I think this is kind of a fun series. I'm having a lot of fun with it. It's kind of cool to see just how layering can make each one look so different. Just really cool. I think of these two, the layered one is my favorite. Just because I get more of the defined banding, which is what I really like. But that's because I'm into crystals. Obviously, if you can't tell by now. This is mirrored glass. This is not crystals though, but I do put natural crystals and gems in some of my work. I mean, this one has some good banding as well, but not like the layered cup. So definitely if you want more of the bands, I think the layered cup is going to give you more of that than the dirty pour did. But I do thank everybody for joining me. I hope everybody is being healthy and safe. Sorry about that glare. And I appreciate you guys so much for joining in today and watching the video. Like I said, I didn't even finish, but before with the series is right before this one. So if you want to check that out, I'll have it in the playlist there at the end of the video. You can click on it. It'll take you right to it. But I appreciate you guys. I hope everybody is doing well. And have a good day. Have a good evening. And keep being creative. Bye.